Okay, I'm going to show you real quick how to make pipes in Blender. And I like this method more than Ian Hubert's method because he starts with curves and I don't like curves. So I'm just going to add a plane here, go into edit mode. Now select all of your vertices, press M and merge them at the center. So now you have one vertex. Now extrude this however you want your pipe to look, whatever shape it is. Once you're happy with the shape, select all the vertices with A and press Command Shift or Control Shift B to bevel them. Now I'm gonna go out and convert this to a curve, and in the curve properties I'm gonna go down to geometry, go to bevel and add a bevel depth, which will be the thickness of your pipe. Now you can shade smooth, and convert this to a mesh. Now you have a pipe mesh ready to be textured.